Alright, I'm gonna make a strawberry cake that my mom used to make. She put hers in a bundt pan though, but I don't have a bundt pan anymore. So I'm just gonna put it in make it a square cake or oblong or whatever you want to call it. So I bought Pillsbury Strawberry Premium Cake Mix Moist Supreme. And we're going to start out with that. I cut up some strawberries. Oh, that cake smells good already, and it's already not even mixed up. A few strawberries, but I remember my mom put a few strawberries in the cake mix, so I've already chopped them up. Might be like a dozen chopped up. Alright, let's start with half a cup of oil, 3 eggs, and then a cup of water. That's a cup. And then mix it up. I'm not finished mixing it. Okay, I got it all mixed up, and now I'm going to put it in my baking pan for 34 minutes to 38. I'm going to check it at 34 minutes. I've already pre-sprayed the pan. And as you can see, a lot of the strawberries got chopped up while I was mixing it in it. Alright, so it's in the pan. We're going to put it in the oven. Also preheat the oven at 350 degrees. You cook it like it says on the box. Cake is done. It had to bake for 38 minutes. It looks and it smells so good. Okay, so I'm going to let it cool in this pan for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to put it on a cooling rack and let it cool, and then come back and make the glaze that goes on top of it. All to see, can you see the strawberries coming through there? Oh, this cake is good. I just hope it is half as good as when my mom made it. It's been a while since I made this cake. Alright, so we're going to make the strawberry cake glaze. The cake is cool. You're going to use 2 tablespoons strawberry preserves. I got this is called Bonnie Mamani. I can't pronounce it, but it has no high fructose in it like Smucker's and some of the other brands does. So I looked at this and it smells good, looks good, yeah, but it doesn't have high fructose in it. And use half to 3/4 cup sugar, which I'm using half a sugar, half a cup. And then you use 1/4 cup water. Bring to boil on medium heat, which I'm doing now. Stirring constantly. Cook 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to get my wooden spoon. It's starting to... I'm going to get the sugar in there right now and stir it in. Okay. Can you see? Trying to... And then put the strawberry preserves in there. 2 tablespoons. I mean, you can use any strawberry preserves you want, but I just... And this looked... It's gluten-free, all natural. Okay, so you gotta stir it constantly for 2 minutes. Okay, so let me put the timer on for 2 minutes. It says don't want to be soupy or clumpy, but smooth. Stir together. Pour over cake while hot. That means the glaze. Don't let it cool before you put it on. Put it on while it's still hot. And let you see. I'm trying to... There it goes. Okay. Be right back when it's finished cooking. Okay, it's finished cooking. So you're just going to pour it slowly over the cake. This is an old Tupperware cake pan. Okay, so then you let it set and cool over the cake, and then it's done. I know the glaze is messy. Alright, so this is my mom's strawberry cake. The rest of the sliced strawberries are done. To refrigerate too, because of the strawberries.